Good morning, everyone. I am on my way to a meeting in my other job. However, look at the weather. It's snowing. It is snowing. Nasa panakpay. So nga, it's better too early than late nga kunada. Yung nagpigsa ti snow. I don't know if you guys can see. Adak to nagtulugang ko. Ito ganyan na. Awan pati nakapark na masyado kasi handa pa'y sumangput. Siya kadakid to yun. So, see the weather. I just finished my overnight 11 to 7 tapos sa daman nito yun work pa more. Tanya ti weather niya. Diba? Kasto dito Canada. Unpredictable weather. Supposed to be agis 30 summer on but yung summer datay snow. Tanya. Nagpuskol tagtin na niya. Pero at least wet. Han nga agis-stayed ta ground. That's the only good thing. Okay. Update later. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Bye for now.